It's not just a shopping experience, it's a holiday attraction. My family and I spent Sunday morning at the Potter's Christmas store in Surrey. Above the entrance, there is a cool display of the Grinch flying an airplane. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with a red and white theme of merry and bright. There's a section for poinsettias and cactuses. Did you know that poinsettias are native to Central America where they flower during the winter months? The first ambassador to Mexico in 1825, Joel Roberts Poinsett, brought them back to South Carolina and grew them in his greenhouse. I turned around, I was greeted with this bee tree. It's an upside down tree with a giant honeycomb and honeybee at the top, my favorite display at the store. The store has a section with an assortment of kitchen-related items and gadgets. Nearby are some interesting gourmet food items. Each year, Potter's Nursery transforms into a Christmas store in early September. The store has over 28,000 square feet devoted to the Christmas holiday season. This makes it the largest Christmas store in Western Canada, where you can pick up ornaments, decor, gourmet food, candies, gadgets, stocking stuffers, toys, plants, and more. They have over 50,000 ornaments in stock. Definitely unique. Beautiful colors on this one. So cute. This one will look really good with lights behind it. This would look really good on a woodland themed tree. This nutcracker looks like a Canadian Mountie. Seems like every inch was covered with holiday items. In the delicious lollipop area, there's a white upside-down tree with a scoop of ice cream at the top. You can also drop your letter for Santa here. This one's a cute gingerbread man ornament. Some soft, squishy cupcakes. These look pretty real. I could eat them. There's a model village run by mice. It's called Mouse Town. That's a beautiful swan. They also have toys, puzzles, and games. And the ever-popular gnome. What's in our shopping cart? We give Potter's Christmas store a big thumbs up. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It would help the channel out. Thank you for your support.